Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Ember Enterprises India Limited and we'll give you an educational view on the same. Ember Enterprises is a leading solution provider in the air conditioner OEM ODM industry. So if you are curious about their journey, product portfolio and recent developments, you have come to the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the leadership of Ember Enterprises. Did you know that they are the largest induction motor manufacturer for the HVAC industry in India? Impressive, right? They are also the market leader in the PCB manufacturing and assembly. But that's not all. They are known for providing indigenized solutions for roof mounted package units for Indian Railways and Metro. Talk about innovation. Now, let's explore their diverse product portfolio. Ember offers end to end solutions, starting from designing and tooling to final assembling and testing. The product range includes room air conditioners with window air conditioner, indoor units, and outdoor units of split air conditioners. They even manufacture inverter RACs. But that's not all. They also cater to other industries such as producing case liners for refrigerators, plastic extrusion sheets for consumer durables and automobiles, sheet metal components for microwaves, washing machine, tub assemblies, and even components for the automotive and metal sealing industries. They have truly diversified their offerings. Air conditioning solutions for railways, metro, defense, bus, and commercial segments, although small percentage of revenue is expected to see a good growth on back of government capex for railways. The revenue contribution from components and mobility application has increased from 24% in FY18 to 53% in FY22. Now, let's take a peek into their manufacturing facilities. With 23 facilities across 8 states in India, they are strategically located near their customers' facilities. These facilities are highly integrated, allowing them to have control over the manufacturing processes and reducing dependency on external suppliers. It's all about efficiency. Speaking of growth, let's discuss some of the Ember Enterprises strategic acquisitions. They recently invested in Ember Enterprises USA Inc. The company has become a wholly owned subsidiary for Ember Enterprises. They also acquired a stake in Ember PR Technoplast India Private Limited and Pravartaka, expanding their capabilities and entering new markets. These acquisitions will enable them to manufacture injection molding tools internally and further expand their component segments. It's all about strategic moves. Now, let's talk about their recent developments. In the past year, Ember Enterprises started 3 new facilities to expand their RAC and component capacities, along with reaching new geographical areas. They even raised funds through the QIP route to set up 2 manufacturing facilities, one in Pune and another near Chennai. These expansions will meet the growing demand and serve new customer clusters. Talk about keeping up with the market. Now let's take a closer look at their financials. In FY22, Ember Enterprises incurred a capex of Rs 433 crores, focusing on existing manufacturing plants, R&D, and developing new greenfield sites. Looking ahead, they plan to invest between 300 crores to 400 crores in the upcoming financial year. Company's revenue and profit after tax have registered a robust CAGR of 27% and 20% over the last 5 years. However, the return on equity has remained weak at an average of 9% over the 5-year period, whereas return on capital employed stood at an average of 12% over the same period. Net debt to equity is low at 0.5 times in FY22. Cash conversion cycle is healthy at 28 days only. And it's all about investing in the future. Hold on, folks. We have an exciting update for you. In Q4 FY23, Ember Enterprises experienced a strong AC season, leading to a boost in their earnings. Their standalone business, including RAC and RAC components, recorded a remarkable 51% year-on-year growth. A reasonably strong start to the summer and nearly 300 basis points market share gains contributed to the success. While margins improved year-on-year by 80 basis points, it remained largely flat for FY23. The company acknowledged that margin trends could be misleading due to changes in the product mix based on client preferences. However, their subsidiaries saw a phenomenal 71% revenue growth year on year, fueling their overall growth for the quarter. Now, here's an interesting insight. As AC brands move a part of their manufacturing in-house, Ember Enterprises has adapted its business model to focus on RAC components for these clients, allowing them to stay relevant in the ecosystem. However, this shift brings uncertainty to their margin profile, even though the company aims for absolute EBITDA growth. The uncertainty surrounding margins could impact their return on capital employed guidance of 19 to 21% by FY26. On the bright side, Ember has also emphasized its focus on non-RAC business and their key subsidiaries such as Sidwal, and they are executing very strongly. They have secured notable orders, including projects like Vande Bharat. Let's talk about the outlook and valuations now for Ember Enterprises. Ember has corrected from highs of rupees 4,026 to rupees 2,063. Let's look at the outlook and valuation of Ember Enterprises. Ember Enterprises has corrected from highs of rupees 4,026 to rupees 2,063. The stock has recently witnessed an uptick reflecting better earnings. While there is consensus expectation of a 20% plus earnings growth and a return on equity and return on capital employed expansion of 200 to 400 basis points over FY23 to FY26. The current price to earnings ratio of 30 times on FY24 earnings per share adequately factors in all the positives, especially considering the uncertainty in RAC growth. It trades at -1 standard deviation on the valuation band. There exists a quarterly demand zone at rupees 1,660, and investors should keep this level on their radar. And there you have it, folks. And that concludes our deep dive into Ember Enterprises India Limited. Their leadership, diverse product portfolio, strategic acquisitions, recent development, and financial outlook make them an interesting player in the air conditioner industry. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. This is Viral Shah signing off. Happy investing. This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing. Thank you.